Hi everybody, Jessica Ventigli here with TruckSmart Isuzu located in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. Today I have our 2024 Ford Transit Reefer. It's a 148-inch wheelbase, high roof, extended. This truck is powered by the 3.5-liter V6, 275 horsepower, 10-speed transmission. If you take a look on the inside, I'll show you a little bit of the features that this truck comes with. Inside the truck, you'll notice it has this giant touchscreen. It is equipped with backup camera and navigation. We have blind spot assist, Bluetooth, power windows, power locks, cruise control. You'll notice all the gauges and components on the steering wheel itself. The truck itself is a 9,500-pound GVW, and Ford's factory warranty is 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain, and while you have that 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain, it's also complete with roadside assistance should you need it. We have paired this Transit with a roof-mounted Thermoking V520 RT Max refrigeration unit. The Thermoking unit is designed for below freezing applications. We've also equipped it with a SmartPower electric standby, automatic hot gas defrost. We installed wired door switches at the side and rear doors, which automatically shut down the reefer unit when the cargo doors are opened. Inside, you'll also notice that we have one row of E-Track. If you are interested in this truck, we have other Transits on order. We also carry ProMasters as well with the same units, different configuration as far as the chassis itself. We offer financing. We also offer delivery. We have a state-of-the-art 25,000 square foot facility. We also carry many other new and used trucks. Whether you're looking for a box truck, dump truck, hook lift, or switch and go, please give me a call so I can discuss any of your business needs, and I can see if we have a truck on an inventory for you. I can be reached at 215-310-2110. My cell phone is 267-394-3223. Again, this is Jessica Ventigli with TruckSmart Isuzu located in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. Thanks.